Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to start day 2 of building this workshop that I'm trying to do in the backyard. These are the beams that I do. I posted a video for day 1 and I am just gonna build the flooring for the structure of it and make sure that it's square and even. I already checked that all single piers that I have over here are level, and I already checked that it's all level. I'm really excited about this, so let's get started.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, The All Boots.
So the first thing I'm going to do is to take 2 inches out of this 12-foot piece of board. This is a 2 by 6 by 12, and this is going to be on the floor. But I have to cut the end of it. I'm just gonna take 2 inches, and then I'm gonna attach it to the other side. So the ones that I already cut, they're gonna go across this. This is still a 12 feet long piece of board. This is a 2 by 6. So I have 4 of these brackets. They're different than the other ones. The reason I wanted to have this is because I wanted to have it in the corner. But one thing that I noticed, this is one of the pieces that I cut, is that I need to make sure that this is flush here, because I need to make sure that when I'm putting the boards, is flush over here. But if you notice, right here on the bottom, there's a little bit like a quarter of an inch gap, which hopefully it doesn't mess up with the structure here if I have to put it there. Now I'm just gonna put this in every single corner, and let's just do that. So I was able to secure all 4 corners. I used these brackets right here in all of them. So now the next step is to take from all the way from here 16 inches all the way to the other side. This is according to the plans that I have, so let's just do that. So one thing that I noticed about when I was measuring this portion of this is that when I started from this side, and I was measuring 16 by 16 by 16 by 16, but then I came over and I'm like, you know what, let me check the other side. And then I noticed that the 16 was a little bit short from the previous mark that I made. But what I did is, like, I kept going, double do it, and then I was able to put a line right in the middle of both. So that way I know for a fact that these are going to be even. So I'm just gonna do the same thing for the other side. Alright guys, so I added these braces right over here. Those are blocking that is going to allow the floor to be stable and not be squeaking when you're stepping on it. So I did that, I put some braces there. The last couple of days have been horrible with the weather here, so I had to put the whole project in pause because it was raining a lot. So today is the day that is actually nice, so let's go and resume this work. Another thing that I did was adding this hurricane joist right here. This is going to ensure that if there's like a tornado, this isn't going away anywhere. But guess what? I live in the Pacific Northwest. There's not tornadoes here. So we're gonna use this construction adhesive. This is going to make sure that the planks that I'm gonna put here for the floor are going to be super sturdy. So I'm just gonna put it all around it. I have 2 of these. Let's get this done. Okay, so the reason why I did it like this is because I want to make sure that it is sturdy. It doesn't make any sense if you make it like all one side like this, having all the flooring like in one side instead of staggering it. I know it's gonna cost a lot more work for me to do. However, I want to make sure that this floor is super sturdy, and when I am stepping on it, I don't feel like it's bouncing. So, but in the meantime, if you see, I am going to go ahead and put a screw all the way to the end every 6 inches. This way, I know for a fact that this is going to be attached on the floor, and it's gonna be sturdy, and it's not going to be squeaking. That is the main goal of this project. Alright guys, so day 2 is officially over. I was able to put the floors on the structure of the shed that I'm building. I am really excited, and if you haven't, please do not forget to like and subscribe. It helps our channel to grow, and I'll see you next time for the next video. So have a good day.